sentient beings have a Buddha nature. What is meant by Buddha nature? A Buddha seed in all of us. What is meant by Buddha? The highest enlightened mental state. Whether you are believe in Buddhism or even you are not worship to Buddhism, we all have Buddha nature. Buddha nature is the eternal soul, birthless, imperishable, timeless, and is never destroyed when the body is destroyed. When once die, then rebirth. It is the body which will face the illness, old age, and death. However, the Buddha nature will not get old, sick, and dead. The body is just a vessel of our Buddha nature. When the vessel cannot be used, we will migrate to another vessel. You can call that another life. But as there is no permanent, unchanging substance, nothing passes from one moment to the next. Most of us fear of death or fear to the dying process. Whether you are confronting the end of your own life or the loss of a loved one, death is a certainty of life that everyone will face. Death is inevitable. But Buddha has taught that death is referring to the physical body. We, ourselves, are the Tatagatha. We will not die. The we refer to Tatagatha, the Buddha nature. We will just rebirth and reborn because our soul is immortal. So, knowing that this physical body is no more capable of functioning, then just let go of the body, choose another one. What are we reborn in the future will depend on how we live our current life. For example, if a person lives a good life and has good karma, they will be reborn into a better realm. The seeds we plant in our consciousness in one moment will determine our next life. Since we live in a world that is created by our own karma, we have to abide by these laws and travel the path of positive karma. We control our karma. Every moment is a new junction. What we implant in our consciousness will lead to what we will experience next. If we don't tackle our negative emotional patterns, we will fall into the bad realms. Negative thoughts, negative emotions, and behavior are what we create for our own karma. Death is not scary, but dies with greed, hatred, and ignorance are the most deadly sins. That is why every Buddha will create positive karmas. They always share their valuable knowledge, enlighten a lot of people, and helping others. Therefore, wherever they go, they get respect. People treasure them and appreciate them. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. You are responsible for your own happiness. If you expect others to please you and to make you happy, you will always be disappointed. To change someone else to please you is difficult, but change ourselves to adapt to others is much easier. That's all for today's sharing. Thank you.